In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MailerLite to Payhip. This is a powerful integration that can streamline your email marketing efforts and help you manage your audience more effectively. So let's dive right in and make sure you have everything set up correctly. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Payhip account. Once you're on your Payhip homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're not already. It's your central hub for managing your digital products and soon your email marketing connections too. Next, look towards the top of your screen. There you'll find the Marketing tab. Give it a click. This section is where you'll control the promotional aspects of your business, including your mailing lists, which is what we're focusing on today. Now, within the Marketing section, locate the option labeled Mailing Lists. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can manage your email subscriber details. It's a great tool for keeping your audience organized and ensuring your communication is consistent and effective. Once you're in the mailing list section, you should see an option to set up mailing lists. By clicking on this, you'll be directed to the setup page where you can integrate various email services. This is an important step, so make sure you're in the right place. You'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Active Campaign. Don't let the name confuse you. This drop-down is where you'll select from a list of available email marketing platforms that can be connected with Payhip. Go ahead and click on this drop-down. Now, you're looking for the option labeled MailerLite. It might be a little down the list, so scroll if necessary. Once you find MailerLite, click on it. This action links MailerLite with your Payhip account, providing a seamless connection between the two platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully connected MailerLite to Payhip. This integration allows you to automatically sync your Payhip customers with your MailerLite account, ensuring that your email marketing is both efficient and impactful. Before wrapping up, it's worth mentioning that with this setup, you'll be able to send targeted email campaigns to your customers based on their purchases and interactions. This can significantly enhance your marketing strategy and provide valuable insights into customer behavior. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Happy marketing!